Alright everyone, hello! And today we are going to be making a drawstring bag. For me, I'm making it for my son who has way too many Legos and his Legos do not fit in his current bag. So I'm gonna make a new one, and since he's obsessed with trains and planes, I got him this adorable fabric. Actually from Walmart. It was only like $2 a yard actually. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this big. It's going to be a big drawstring pouch, but you could always adjust it to whatever size you want. Right now this is about 40 by 23. Right now what we're just going to do is we're going to take it longwise, the long edge, and we're going to fold. We're gonna fold down in just a little bit. Hi, Danny. No, I'm not talking to Papa. We're gonna fold it in a little bit. Actually, the other way. Sorry. Kid's distracting me. Alright. We're gonna fold it in this way. Not the other way, because that would look stupid. So, it doesn't really matter. You know, I'm not being specific right here, so it doesn't have to be perfectly even. Just try to keep it, you know, relatively the same. You don't want it to be crazy uneven. Yeah, Danny, hi. And you're just gonna keep doing this all the way down. So it's going to take quite a bit of pinning all the way down, and you're going to also do it on the other side of the fabric. Back stitch and keep going. Don't mind my son in the background. Once you get to the end, back stitch a little bit more, and you're good. Cut away the excess thread and remove your pins. So one reason why I was able to sew over the pins was because they were facing, let me show you. They were facing horizontal, I guess. Horizontal towards the needle, but if they were facing like this way, going straight towards the needle, that's not safe. When they're going horizontal, it's safe for the needle to go over, and it honestly it saves me a lot of time because it keeps your hem in place. All right, and there we go. This is how it should look. That. Here's the inside and the outside. Alright, so now what you're gonna do, make some space. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make the casing for the drawstring bags. Now we're gonna do this on this unfinished side, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold fold it down about 1/2 inch, like so, and then fold it again, right? Actually, let's give it a little more. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fold it down about 1 inch, right? And we're gonna fold it down again. That's what I'm gonna do. You don't have to fold it down again, but that's what I'm doing. And so you have to leave it open like this. That's where your drawstring is gonna go through. Okay, so now fold down about 1 inch, fold again, pin that in place. Okay. So yeah, this is the casing for the drawstring to go through. So yeah, so you can put it through. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna sew it down. So this time I put my pins vertical, so that means I have to remove them. I can't sew over them. So where you're gonna sew is you're gonna try to leave this open space right here, because that's where your drawstring needs to go through. Right, so remove your pins. Back stitch. And sew. Oops. Back stitch and remove excess thread. Alright, and so this is how it should look right here. And on the other side. Let's see here. You still have the spacing. Okay. Remove excess thread. And do the same to the other side. What we're gonna do is we're going to take the wrist, fold it, right sides together so the pretty fabric is facing the inside. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna sew along this side. The finished side, we're gonna pin it together and we're gonna sew it together, but make sure you don't sew over the casing. Don't do that because we have to leave that over. So start from right here. Let me see that. Okay, yeah, start from this point. All right, so I'm not gonna pin it right now because I don't feel like it. But you can pin it if you want to. Alright, so remember, don't sew the casing, so just start from right underneath it. And make sure your edges are flush, so if you need to stop and adjust sometimes to make sure the edges are flush, you can do that. Make sure you backstitch and remove excess thread. Alright, and I sewed actually right on the inside of our previously created stitch, just so when you turn it back inside out you don't see that stitch, so I'm kind of hiding it. That's what I did. Alright, so again, repeat on the other side. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our paracord and we're gonna take our safety pin, and I like to fold it like this so it doesn't come apart. And it'll stay more together. There you go. Just like that. Now you're gonna feed it through the casing that we made earlier. And you're gonna push it through all the way. Push it through, almost done. There we go. Now you can stop right here if you want, because some people just like it one-sided and, you know, there, you can close it just like that, right? But not me. I like it to be double-sided. So what I will do now, give me a second while I adjust this. Oh my gosh. Alright, there we go. So now what we'll do is we'll take the other piece of string that we cut up and do the same thing to the other side. Fold it in half like I did earlier. Pierce it. And now this time we're going to put it through. You see where this is already going through it. Just like that. So now instead of pulling, you know, when you close it, you can close it with one string, or you can pull it on both sides and have it close in the middle. That's how I like drawstring bags, so that's why I'm doing this again. If you are okay with it only being closed by one string, then you can totally stop. Alright, and now you got to the end. Ooh, okay. Thank you, Papa. Can pull it through, and now you got it. So now what you're gonna do, see, this is how I like it, where you can pull it on both sides and it closes. Here's the finished product. I really like how it came out. It was able to hold like all his Legos and have space for more. So if you like this video, please let me know, and maybe I'll keep making some more videos. Alright, thank you for watching.